I miss you. You don't know what is going on. You don't know. You're going to be home with your dada. Are you happy? Say it with your chest. Are you happy? I love you, Mama. See you soon. Yeah, just find it at the camera. You don't know. You don't know. Alright, love. See you. So mommy has to go now. Mommy has to go now. Oh. Bitter sweet. Never felt so real. I mean, it's not like bitter, but anyway, hi, welcome back to the channel. And obviously, someone is off to Dubai on the solo trip. Oi! Oi!
It's not your fault.
He said it's not my fault. Anyway, we're heading to the airport now. So this trip is like, anyway, you guys will see. Let me not even be telling you what this trip is like. Like, finna be lit, man. I'm about to be lit, man. I have mom guilt. I have separation anxiety. I don't have boo anxiety actually. We good. We good out here. We good.
Okay, I see.
So now, but come to think about it, we've never traveled like separately before. I know now you've gone to London well without me. So look at inside life. But anyway, I'm going to bring you guys along and like put you on the frequency of everything we're gonna be doing. Can you tell I'm hyped? Anyway, so off we go to the airport. I'll see you guys when I see you. Hey. Bye.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Ready? See the glue. Room tour, quick room tour. Mirror. So this is the entrance. You come in, mirror, restroom. I'm going to show you in a bit, and then closet that we'll probably not use. Robes, fave. Then there's this like box space, and then reading table where I'm going to be editing my videos and all that good stuff. Double bed, one for me, one for Mrs. O. And view that I'll show you guys in the morning. And then we have like a mini sitting area here, and then this baby girl comes with the package. Anyway, and then oh, look at that, dear Mrs. Solilokwe Cynthia at Daigokai, welcome to da. Anyway, and then there's like a mini bar / drink area here. Ah, beautiful. Someone is good in this life. Ooh. I love it. So yeah, brushing side, of course. Look at that, a bath. I can't remember the last time I soaked myself in a bath. So we've got a bath here, and then we've got the twin toilet there, and then this is like a shower area as well. Oof. Towels. I had a conversation with one of my aunties. She was like, she doesn't like hotel towels. I'm like, I love them. Anyway, that's it. It's 5:50 a.m. here in Dubai. I'm gonna bring you guys along. Are you ready? Subscribe. Don't just come and watch for free, all right? Let me mention that I am here with my mother-in-law. She's here with like a couple of other women, almost about 20 or 25 of us ish, and we're here for the next 7 days. Yes, there's going to be like so many activities: the yacht, the dinner, the fancy dinner, the shopping sprays, and all the good stuff. I'm excited. But yeah, that's the guys. I've been having mom guilt a lot. I cried, like, not like I cried, but I gave you a thought for like 2 seconds, and then I found out that my eyes were logged with water. I had to tell myself, calm down, calm down, calm down. Don't worry about it. Don't worry too much about it. So yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy. Being away from my daughter is not easy. I promise you, this is like so vulnerable, but like right now talking about it, I will feel like crying. But I've spoken to them, of course, and then PG's on top of it. Like, they're good. Mommy needs this to rejuvenate, and be a better mom and a better wife. So let's get it.
Take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, like a true. I know it, you know it, we make it. Oh my baby. So high.
Is that me? Can I see myself over there? Hi guys. So we're on our way to the Yatch cruise. It's like an evening praise, night with FFA. That's Mama, and we're on our way to the Yatch cruise to party. And yeah, the outfit is this pink and white trousers. So we're decking it up, and we're gonna be taking pictures, dancing, and stuff. So yeah, we move.
celebrate. Come follow me to dance, oh. Come follow me to dance, oh. As I jump around and jubilate, scatter down and celebrate. Come follow me to dance, oh. Come follow me to dance, oh. Every time I look around me, all I see is your love. You came around and changed my story, changed my story. Gave me a brand new start. I can't jump around and cause every time you my plate, you can't do what you do for me. I know feel explain. So I go step the ground and celebrate. Your blessing sweet like chocolate. Always getting better, never done for a day. Oh, jump around and scatter ground and celebrate. Come follow me to dance, oh. Come follow me to dance, oh. As I jump around and scatter ground and celebrate. Come follow me to dance, oh. Come follow me to dance, oh. Come follow me to dance, oh. Come follow me to dance.
2 hours later.
I'm walking in miracles. I live a life of favor. I know who I am. Hi guys, so we're back home now, and it was amazing. Like, to say the least, it was amazing. Anyway, that's all for day 1, and I'll bring you guys along day 2 and all the good stuff by the grace of God. But I think inshallah, maybe we'll still go and find something to eat. Wanted to go to the mall, and like, with this tired that is tired, no need, let's just sleep, and we'll do the other activities tomorrow and the days afterward. Good night, see you guys in the morning. Bye. Like soft life, giant life, soft life, ṣèbọn ọmọ Jésù ni wọ́n tẹ́sẹ̀ kò tẹ̀sù mọ́lẹ̀ tẹ́sẹ̀ kò tẹ̀sù mọ́lẹ̀
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me.